What's going on today, guys? We're going to be continuing on with our Scarecrow character. So today we're going to be creating a new attack ability for him. Pretty sure that's going to be the only ability that we make for him, but yeah, so let's get into it. So first thing I want to do is go ahead and just start this test ability. We'll name it Attack Player probably. Yeah, that works. So I don't have an ability for it yet, so we can go ahead and just start creating it. So let's go into our abilities folder for our AI. Let's create a new folder, Scarecrow folder. Okay, so we want to create a blueprint class. Yeah, blueprint class based off of our hero gameplay ability, I believe it is. Let's see, there it is. Okay, so yeah, we'll just name this Scarecrow Attack. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so let's see. So let's just get this out of the way. Let me see. Actually, I gotta go into my Scarecrow first. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to create a new function, I believe. Let's do, yeah, not an event, but an actual function. So I'll call that handle attack, or not attack, goal. Let's change that to a K. Okay, so let's see. The first thing I'm gonna want to do here, let me think for a second. I believe the first thing I'm gonna want to do is just do a sphere overlap actors. And where I'm gonna want to do this is at the socket where the sword is. So I'll probably just call it from weapon hand. Just make it a little bit bigger just to make it easier. But let's see. So we're going to go ahead and get socket location, in socket name. I'll just make that weapon hand. Now let's do like a 150 radius should be good. Then object types, we're going to want to look for pawns. We don't want to look for nothing else. And then actor class filter, again, character base. Now we don't want to base it off the blueprint because inheritance is kind of weird as blueprints. So basically it's like the blueprint character base, or not the blueprint, but the blueprint main character and the third person blueprint, like they inherit off of the character base C++ class, but they don't inherit off of the blueprint character base class. So if I were to put the blueprint character base version there, then it wouldn't work. Okay, so we're going to want to make sure this is valid before we do anything. And we want to send the gameplay event to the actor. So let's see. I'm going to need a payload. I'm going to need an event tag. I'm going to need actor. So let's go ahead and make gameplay event data. That's our payload. And then let me see here. This should be our target. And then I need some data, ability data. Ability target data, there we go. And now let's go ahead and get the instigator. Plug this into the instigator for the make gameplay, and we also want this to be the actor that is sending the event. We don't have any tags here, so yeah, let's go ahead and do Scarecrow. Yeah, we'll do hit, no. Weapon, yeah, no, we should do hit landed. Yeah. Okay. So we'll compile this, we'll save it, and let's get started on the actual ability itself. So what do we want to do here? So we'll play the montage and wait. This creates a task and it automatically replicates. To be honest, I'm not entirely sure if I were to just play the gameplay event, how it would work, but yeah, let's see. Okay, so I already got this montage set up, which is really nice. So we'll just use this attack 1. All right, so let's see. So yeah, we're gonna want to start at attack _1. And I think we're good to go there. So yeah, so we'll just go ahead and get moving here. So we want to make sure to end the ability on blend out, on interrupted, and on canceled. And then we're going to promote this to a variable. And you know, actually, we got to end it on a completed as well, and this continues on. If you're doing just play montage, then typically there won't be an async task. And this right here, wait gameplay event, this one is where now I got to promote this to a variable. What am I doing? Yeah, so this is the one where you kind of just drag this up and get it out of the way. Because when the event is received, that's the only time you want to start doing something. And the reason why we're promoting these to variables in the first place is because we want to delete them or make sure they're ended when the ability ends. You don't want these tasks running around. All right, so let's see. So we'll plug that into the target data, and we need a gameplay effect class. So yeah, let's call this. Oh, we need the gameplay effect, and we'll call this Scarecrow attack. And we'll probably just make this do like 10 damage for now. I mean, I haven't decided yet exactly, but we just want to get something working for now. So we'll go ahead and make it affect the health, add -10. I'm gonna drag this out just so I can make sure for sure that's -10. I get a little paranoid about stuff like that. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna want to make this the Scarecrow attack that I just created, and let's see. Other than that, we just need to end the ability, I believe. Yeah, make sure that triggers once only, because we don't want to constantly we don't want to constantly damage the character for no reason. So now is when we want to bring these tasks out. I'm going to change this to task 1 just because, I don't know, I don't like seeing 0. So right here, we're going to check to see if they're valid. If they are valid, we want to end them. Yeah, so end task. Oh, I got to grab it from here. Let's see, end task. Okay, there we go. So we'll do the same exact thing for this right here. All right, let's see. Let me just fix these lines. I don't like having these. Ah, man, I don't like having any lines overacting or over. Well, I'm overreacting. Okay, let's see. So yeah, I want to get rid of this activate collision, deactivate collision, end attack, and basically I just want to call. What am I calling on there? So let me see. Where is this playing at? I don't have any. Oh, I guess I never set up. I made all the notifies, but I never actually set up any sort of functions for it. Let's see. Let's just create a notify here, and then I'll adjust it. So we'll call this attack ability. No, let's call it exactly what it is. Let's call it handle attack, because that's what you want to call pretty much. So let's see. So yeah, a little bit more over, probably about there should be all right. Let's see. Okay, so pretty much what we want to do here is all we're doing is just calling, we're getting the pawn owner, casting it to the Scarecrow, and then we're just calling the attack, handle attack. That's it. So pretty much, whenever that'll call handle attack, and then the ability gets called through the behavior tree, and then yeah, we'll call handle attack there, and I think we're all good. Let's see. Yeah, let's just test it out, I believe. Oh yeah, we gotta go ahead and change this to, the Scarecrow attack. Okay. Huh. He's not attacking at all. Interesting. Still that clipping issue. I haven't fixed that yet. Okay, so pretty much I came to find out that it was because I was using the wrong Scarecrow class. Basically, there's the Scarecrow that I had from before, and then there's the Scarecrow AI character that I made now. So I'm just changing everything over. And yeah, let's make it to the Scarecrow AI character, not just Scarecrow. I'm gonna have to delete that character. Handle attack, which I just copied and pasted everything over. And let's see. Let's see how this works now. Should be all good. Just have to change this to Scarecrow attack and let's test it out. Oh, nice, he's attacking. All right, so I don't know why he attacks initially on that first one. But yeah, I mean, that works good for me for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it here. And on the next video, I'm gonna work on getting him to spawn along with an entire wave of the Scarecrow spawning. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like that, please give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.